Hi everyone, Sonja here. I thought I'd make a video for you to see the pretty little gifts that my fellow demonstrators Belinda and Jan gave me last weekend. The three of us went to a Stampin' Up event called OnStage, which happens twice a year, where they show you all the new product that's coming, lots of creative ideas, and people get recognized for their achievements over the last 6 months to a year. So something Stampin' Up used to do when you go on if you win their cruise or their trip, is you get pillow gifts. So both my fellow demonstrators had made me a pillow gift, so they're really cute, so I thought I'd share them. First one is made by Jan. She's a demonstrator in Bristol, and she made this cute little bag. It's got a handle, folds in on the side, covered it in beautiful pattern paper, and it closes. You can't see it, but behind that is a magnet which keeps it closed, decorated with some lovely embellishments on the front. And it opens up, and inside it are a pair of lovely wintry socks. Jan also got me a fabulous mug with an S, a golden S on it for Sonja. So thank you very much, Jan. And then there's the other box made by Belinda. That's got an S on it. It opens at the top, a little piece of string. Got it upside down, doesn't matter, we can turn it around. And inside it are 4 gifts. So first up is this little pop-up card item. It's got the Stampin' Up statement of the heart at the front. It starts with to love what you do and to share what we love, which is definitely what Billy has done for me. You can pop this thing up like so, and it stands up, and you can see there's a post-it note holder beneath it. And behind the statement of the heart is a 29 calendar. How cool is that? Really sweet. Next there is a covered notebook with love what you do. She covered the entire thing in pattern paper and washi tape, even the inside. I mean, attention to detail, for sure, definitely. Ready to be filled with lots of creative ideas. There's this cute little box. More attention to detail, nice little notch to open it. And inside it is a Tombow mono eraser, and it erases ink and pencil. Especially the ink is interesting if you're a crafter, because it will help you if you made tiny little ink smudges. You can rub them off with this very practical gift. And last but not least, in this cute little box with a tiny little label is a very pretty thing, and that thing that Billy makes, not just paper crafting projects, but she likes her jewelry, and she's made me these cute little earrings with Swarovski crystals and sterling silver hooks. So very, very pretty. So if you ever get the opportunity, it's a friend, a Stampin' Up demonstrator, it's going to bring lots of joy and fun in your life. Alright, thanks for watching, and have a good